Hey folks, and welcome to week one, and ultimately welcome to English 102. Every week I'll do one of these videos, and the purpose of this video is sort of walk you through what we're going to do during the course of the week, and also to explain any assignments, okay? So this is like sort of what I think of as the most critical thing to engage with when you start out every week in the semester, okay? We absolutely need to get in here and watch this video because it's where I sort of explain everything you need to do. So this week, all of our coursework will end on Thursday at 11 a.m., okay? There are occasionally, and actually pretty frequently, going to be assignments due on Mondays as well. But our weeks, think about as running Thursday through Thursday. So the end of week one is actually going to be this coming Thursday. And so it's sort of a short week because there's not a ton I need you to do here. It's kind of all introductory stuff. And you can see every week I will have a to-do list. So watch your welcome video and watch how to navigate the course. And then watch week one video. You're doing that right now, of course. Look over all the course information. Take the syllabus and general info quiz. Set up an appointment to chat virtually with me. And then complete an introduction post on the discussion board. So you'll see I often try to put things into folders. They open and close using these triangle markers here. So if you come in and you're like, there's nothing there, at least once a semester I have to answer the question, there's nothing there. And I have to say, just click the triangle and it will open up. Okay. I try to put due dates on anything that is physically due that you need to do. I can't always do that just because of the way D2L works. So if it's listed on the to-do list and listed on the syllabus here, obviously it's something we need to do. So every week we'll have, that to-do list up top and then the list of stuff down below, okay? So sometimes we'll get a link in here, but typically I just embed everything below this, and I try to break it out into folders, okay? So this week, watch the welcome video and how to navigate the course video. Now I'm going to tell you that is actually in the Unit 1 section, okay? So I'm going to see if I can move this over real quick. So if you come over here, you'll see week 1, that's what we're in right now. If you go up to Unit 1, and that is going to include the first 3 weeks of class, you'll see we've of course got these 2 videos right here. You can at that point open up week 1 again. One of the things you'll notice is that you can only open one folder deep as you're working your way through here, so it's a little bit of a pain. So I like to start from the week immediate in and of itself, okay? So those 2 videos are back in the Unit 1 section. Please watch those. The welcome is just a quick introduction to me and the class. The how to navigate the course is probably the longest video you'll have to deal with the entire semester. It's 12 minutes, I think. But it does kind of walk you through how I will use D2L to kind of do what we need to do and how to interact with D2L in the most effective way. All right, watch your week 1 video, which is what you're doing, and then all of the stuff down below, okay? So I want you to look over all the course info. And when I say that, what I actually mean is all the stuff in the general course info section, and that's going to be, my contact info, my course syllabus, policies, the schedule, technology requirements, how-tos, okay? Problems, tech issues, all the other stuff there, okay? So I want you to start there, okay? Look over all of that stuff. Okay. Take your syllabus and class info quiz. I also have a couple survey questions in there. I already asked them in the Google form I sent out last week. So if you've already answered them, just please answer them again. And then a quick introduction in week 1. And there's an explanation as to what you need to do here, okay? So please take a quick look at that and engage with that introductory post. Finally, last thing, okay, let's get back to week 1 here. The last thing is to set up an appointment to chat virtually with me. This link will take you to set up a calendar appointment with me. My hope is to sort of just touch base over the next 2 weeks or so with each one of you. Just chat for 10, 15 minutes. Find out sort of like what your goals are, what your concerns are, what we can do. Okay, so just try to pick a time that is available on that calendar in the first couple weeks here, and just for us to have a quick drop-in chat session. It'll be over Google Meet unless someone wants to meet in person, and I'll send you a link for it once it gets situated. Okay? That's everything you need to do this week. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.